Very few people have that skill. I think Rajini sir has that comic timing, and Bachchan Saab has got. And you being a huge fan of Bachchan sir, you've been doing this for decades. Keep entertaining us for many more decades. I think this October 31st will be Ravi Te Jatra. It'll be it'll be his festival. It'll be it'll be a festival this 31st October. I'm sure all of you going to celebrate this. Rajendra Prasad Garu, thank you so much for all the lovely words you said. It means a lot to me. Srilela, looking forward for this film and also for your Tamil film with Sudha. Really looking forward for that. Naveen, all the best to you and to the entire cast here. And Vidhu, we're supposed to work, should work very soon. To the editor Naveen, sir, all the best for this film. And Banu, it's amazing to see the love you have for Ravi Teja Garu, for writing for all his films to direct his films means a lot. And again, Ravi Teja Garu, you keep reminding us, all of us, you, me, all of us, dreams come true. So for so many years, from you all must be knowing, from being a assistant director to supporting actor, and now to Mas Maharaja, in life, dreams come true, and he keeps reminding us about that. So wishing this October 31st to be a blockbuster day. Wishing you all happiness on that day. And Vamshi Garu, thank you so much for making all the films, all the lovely films. I think he's got some 8-10 releases coming this year. I'm really having a good time working under his production and with Venki. Wishing all of you at Sitara the best of happiness for this release. I hope I have not missed anyone. And Beams Garu, I've not, yeah. It was lovely to see you on stage. I saw the love and respect you have for Ravi Teja Garu. Amazing songs. They're already chartbusters. Someday we should work together. Lots of love. Have a fantastic evening. And thank you again for giving this unconditional love. As always, మీ ప్రేమ కావాలి. Thank you so much for this lovely evening. Good night. See you soon. See you soon in theaters.
తమిళ్లో మిమ్మల్ని మర్చిపోయాను అబ్బాయి, సారీ. మీతో ఒక విషయం చెప్పాలనుకుంటున్నా. మొన్నటిదాకా మీ అందరి గురించి చిరాకు తెప్పించాను తెలుసు నాకు. ఈ సినిమాది ఇంకా అలాంటిది జరగదు. ఇట్స్ మై ప్రామిస్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. జై సినిమా.